This is how to set up dark mode in Nextjs14. Firstly, copy this command and create a new project. Copy it, open the terminal, paste it, and just run the command. Okay, choose the following settings. Now go to the project directory. In my case, it's my app. Now just run this command. Choose whatever settings you like, but use variables so you can change the theme later. So chat scene setup is done now. You can install components like this. Now we need to go to the theming, so we need to install Next themes using this command. Just copy it, paste it, and run it. Right. Just copy this, create a new file called themeprovider.tsx. This will create a components folder and a themes file. Now copy this command, paste it. I'm in the code, paste it. Now just wrap this to your root layout using the component just we created. Yes, just wrap it here, import it. Or you can just type it. I'll just copy it and grab the children's. Already imported it and just close it. Yes. Now we need to create a toggle so we can switch between the dark and light theme. Just copy this command, or you can create your own. I'll just show you how to create a toggle. Just copy it and create a new file. You can name it anything. Okay, I'll name it toggle button.tsx, and now we need to install some icons and buttons. For icons, I'll just copy this command, and for button, you have to install this. Okay, so you need to install the button first. Go to the button, there's a command, copy it. Just run it. This should create an UI folder in your components file. Okay, just create a one, and it will create a buttons component in it. So you can just directly import it. Now we need to install drop down menu also. Just copy this command, right, run it. All that is left is install React icons. So we just need to copy this. Search it, open it, copy this command. This should install React icons in your project. should go away. Right, done. Now we need to use this toggle in our page file. You can use it anywhere you want. I'm just going to use in the main page. I'll just remove it. Create a div. Use the component here. Import it, right? From components. Now this should work. Let's start by npm run dev. This should start our development server, right? Open localhost 3000. This should open up your project, and since we have done it on root page, this should be here. Okay, see here. Let's try to switch it. Okay, done. Go to dark mode, go to system, go to light, go to system. Done. So this is how you use dark mode in Next.js 14.